It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 Limited AT4. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the AT4. The driver's door has power door locks, the programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, power windows with 2 auto express windows, power adjustable and power folding side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder, and you'll notice this truck comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel we have trailer mode. By turning that dial to the right, we have various drive modes appear on the dash. 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials with a park brake just below. All-weather floor mats with a removable carpeted insert, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, jet black interior with Kalahari seat inserts, AT4 embroidery in both headrests, and a power sunroof overhead. Next, I'm going to hop in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and on the right side we have the audio controls and Bluetooth command. This is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, the programmable garage door opener, rear window slider button, power sunroof buttons, some interior light buttons, and OnStar. Up next is GMC's infotainment center, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation. We have those shortcuts down below. This screen also doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. To the right, we have hitch guidance and then hitch view. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and ventilated front leather seats, lane departure alert, park assist, auto stop start, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control, the integrated trailer brake controller, some USB ports, and a power plug-in. This is the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. Dual cup holders, and to the right of the steering wheel is the engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake while pushing the button to start the truck. At the front of the AT4 we have those red tow hooks, signature C-shaped headlamps, fog lights, 20-inch machined aluminum wheels, a 3-liter DuraMax turbo diesel engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the integrated turn signal indicator. Rear tinted windows, AT4 high clearance step down below. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. Remote start, rear window slider, and the CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob, push that button twice to drop it down. It also has GMC's 6-way functioning MultiPro tailgate. So by pushing 2 additional buttons, we drop that tailgate step down with ease. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner, 12 cargo hooks, LED box lighting, and a power plug-in. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. You'll notice there's lots of head and leg room for those passengers riding in the back. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of the center console has dual cup holders, the rear fans, some USB ports and power plug-in, all-weather floor mats with a removable carpeted insert. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. We have behind the seat storage located behind either one of those rear seats. Those Kalahari seat inserts carry through into the rear, and we're able to raise this rear seat up to reveal a storage compartment down below. So come take a look at the 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 Limited AT4, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.